Ever since former Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot revolted against Ashok Gehlot for allegedly neglecting him, the Chief Minister had been striving hard to prove him wrong. Even while announcing the setting up of the new colleges a few days ago, Gehlot tried to prove that constituencies of rebel MLAs also get a fair share of them. Here's a report. In order to woo the Gujars, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot extended the 5% or more backward classes reservation in the state judicial services by amending the Rajasthan Judicial Service Rules 2010. Another area which the Chief Minister have been focusing on is the tribal areas of South Rajasthan, the stronghold of the Bharatiya Tribal Party. The support of the two MLAs of the BTP party are crucial to the survival of the government. In the 2019-20 budget, the Chief Minister's office had announced 7 colleges, while in 2020-21 budget, he sanctioned the setting up of another 5. While announcing the setting up of a new colleges, Gehlot tried to prove that constituencies of rebelled MLAs also get a fair share of them. The new colleges announced in the budget 2019-20 include government colleges in Viratnagar, the constituency of Indra Gujar in Bandikwa, Dausa, the constituency of the GR Khatana, among others. Meanwhile, CM Gehlot once again accused Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat of conspiring to topple Rajasthan's elected government. Gehlot said Shekhawat should be the one facing props from the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate instead of the congressmen who were being searched for no reason. The Chief Minister referred to the 2 audio clips allegedly related to horse trading to MLAs attributed to the Shekhawat, as well as the charges against the latter in the rupees 900 crore in the Sanjeevani Credit Cooperative Society scam being propped by the state police under the directions from the lower court. Shekhawat, his wife and other have been named in a complaint related to the scam. Talking to reporters after returning from Jaisalmer, where his MLAs are corralled, the CM said that while the centre was involved in toppling governments, the states were the one that were putting up a fight against COVID-19. A 3-tier security arrangement have been put around the 2 hotels where minister and legislators have been corralled since last Friday. No minister and legislators is allowed to step out without policemen escorting them. Majority of the MLAs are staying at the Suryagad Hotel. More than 500 police personnel and officers are deployed around this hotel. Policemen in plain clothes are spread in every nook and cranny of the city to keep vigil on the suspicious person and activities. The biggest worry of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, who could be facing a floor test during the assembly session commencing from August 14, is poaching of his MLAs by the rival camp led by Sachin Pilot and the opposition BJP. Rajasthan Police intelligence system is at high alert to ward off horse trading of the MLAs, said sources. Bureau Report.